AirSim Combo Bronchi X. This model is part of the AirSim X range and comes with a 5-year warranty as standard. This product features anatomically correct internal features from the nasal passage and airway to the 4th generation bronchi, suitable for training in direct and video laryngoscopy, endotracheal and double nasotracheal tube insertion, full range of supraglottic airway device insertion, single lung isolation techniques, bag valve mask ventilation techniques, needle and surgical cricothyroidotomy, percutaneous tracheostomy, diagnostic bronchoscopy including bronchial blocker insertion, single and double endobronchial tubes and specialized stents. For more information or to speak to a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com or call 0044 28 9073 7281.